Hello everyone and welcome to MathData. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools for data visualization and analytics, Microsoft Power BI. In this session, I will walk you through its core components, workflow, and why it's become the go-to platform for turning raw data into clear, actionable insights. So let's get started and see how Power BI can transform the way you understand your data. So, introduction to Microsoft Power BI. Power BI represents Microsoft's comprehensive business analytics platform that empowers organizations to visualize data and share insights. This slide introduces Power BI as a complete ecosystem for transforming raw data into actionable knowledge. What makes Power BI truly impactful is its unification of three major environments. First is a Power BI desktop for development, second Power BI service for collaboration, and third Power BI mobile for consumption. This flexibility ensures that each user from analytics to executives can access the same truth in data. As we move through the presentation, we will explore how Power BI's scalability, ease of use, and connectivity enable teams to make smarter, data-informed decisions, transforming the way modern organizations operate. So, what is Power BI? Power BI isn't just a tool, it's a complete business intelligence ecosystem. This slide explains its holistic nature as a Microsoft solution that handles every step of the analytics journey. It begins with data preparation, connecting to sources, transforming data, and ensure it's clean and consistent. From there, Power BI's modeling capability help users create relationships and measures that makes data meaningful. Finally, Power BI brings it all together through visually stunning dashboards and reports. These can be shared across any organization on any device, empowering users at all levels to make informed, evidence-based decisions. Next, key components of Power BI. It is made up of three essential components: desktop, service, and mobile, each designed for a specific stage in the analytics process. Power BI Desktop. It is where analytics spend most of their time developing and shaping data models and visual reports. Once a report is ready, they are published in the Power BI Service platform, a cloud-based platform that enables secure sharing and governance. And finally, Power BI Mobile. It ensures accessibility, gives users the ability to explore dashboard anywhere. Together, these components created to connect end-to-end workflow that supports collaboration and decision making across any organization. So, let's see the Power BI workflow. Power BI workflow follows a logical and repeatable process that guides analysts from raw data to insightful reports. It starts in Power BI Desktop, where data from multiple sources is connected and transformed in a usable format. Through the Power Query editor, Users clean, combine and enhance data to ensure it's accurate and ready for modeling. Once relationship and measures are built, reports can be designed visually and published to the Power BI service. Finally, in the service, dashboards are created to summarize key insights, share securely across teams and access in real time, proving a continuous automated flow of information that supports informed decision making across any organization. So, why Power BI matters? Because it bridges the gap between data and decision making in an area where organizations generate massive volumes of information. The ability to visualize data quickly has become an advantage. With Power BI analytics can move from spreadsheets and reports to dynamic real-time dashboards that promote collaboration and data democratization. This transforms how teams work together, fostering a culture where every decision is supported by evidence. This platform scalability within Microsoft ecosystem make it a cost-effective and future-ready choice for organizations to modernize their analytics infrastructure to become truly data-driven mindset. So, the summary and the call of action. In summary, Power BI stands as Microsoft's analytical platform, bringing together every element of the BI process from data integration and modeling to visualization. It doesn't just centralize information, it creates a culture of insights where every decision can be backed by data. Where you are an analyst, manager or executive, Power BI equips you with tools to uncover patterns, predict outcome and act with confidence. As we call to action, begin exploring Power BI today. Download the desktop app, connect your data and start building your first report. The more you experiment, the faster you will unlock the potential of your organization data. And that's it for today's video on Microsoft Power BI. I hope this gives you a solid understanding of how Power BI connects models and visualize data to drive smarter decision making. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.